picked up. Alvaro, I'm definitely losing faith. I'm losing faith in you, Alvaro. I gotta tell you, I've been holding on, but no, you gotta make a horrible painting. I can tell, Alvaro, you don't know what you're doing this time. And I tell you honestly, I wouldn't like to be in your shoes, by the way, because I think you are gonna look horrible. Look at all these people watching you. You're making a disaster. Let me tell you, it's a disaster. What you're doing, okay, so you're not laughing, I'm gonna change the joke.
We'll laugh when you tell us.
Bad spirits. She's nervous. Exactly what you should be doing here. Alvaro. Hey, by the way, Alvaro, what sort of way you want me to call you? Because I don't know whether I'm pronouncing your name in the right way. Really? Tell me, is it Alvaro, Alviro, Alviva? What the heck? Actually, let me ask you, where did your name come from? Water. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm starting. It's so good. Pin. Then, ladies and gentlemen, we soften this. It's actually, I haven't grabbed the bull by the horn yet. Still difficult, and actually the things coming up, it will make it even more difficult, the painting. So I'm gonna work on this. I'm putting more people now. Try to also work the cobalt blue is a color that cover things. Made a mistake with the umbrella because I forgot. I think that guy's okay. It's probably on the tall side. Shouldn't be that tall, but it has to be there.